Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see the complete workflow of deploying Odoo on Odoo.sh and applying customizations using Dear ERP. In this video, I'll explain this step by step, starting from creating the Odoo.sh project, connecting GitHub, setting up the database, and finally deploying a real customization inside Odoo. So if you want to understand how Odoo.sh deployment and Dear ERP customization work together in a practical real world scenario, make sure to watch this video till the end. So we have 30 steps. So according to the my explanation, you may get to display the all steps on the screen. Still, I also repeat those steps in my discussion. So first step is here, go to Odoo.sh. So I am moving on the Odoo.sh. In that, next is deploy your platform. So when I click here, it's asking for new repo, creating new repo or existing one. So I'm moving with creating new repo, which is name I'm giving here 29 SMR 29, then version 18, and then selection of the subscription code here. So I am giving the this code also, then clicking on deploy. This okay, this one is already taken in. I am changing. When I click on deploy, it is taking time to process our request. Now still taking time for this build. Amazing! After testing, this is success and our database is ready. So now making sure here, if I am creating the database here in development, so that means this is a temporary. As stating here, builds and development branches are not meant to store sensible data and have a short lifespan of a few days. Like after 2 to 3 days, that maybe get destroyed. So that's the reason I have to move with this main to the production. In production, it may get permanently stays accordingly. So it also taking time. So we have to wait for that. Wow, this moment in production process also get done. So directly I can click on the connect and then our database is ready. So yet we have achieved the and completed the 14 steps. Now this is 15 step of this Odoo.sh setup process. So what I have to do, I have to move into the settings. In settings, there is a user management. So in user, I have to click on this administrator, then this gear icon. In this gear icon, there is a change password. So simply, I have to write down any password here, then click on change password. Then I'm clicking for login, filling the credentials here. So after that, when I click on login, amazing, we have logged in successfully. So now we have to start the customization process. Whatever we have achieved yet, we set up the and finish the environment for the Odoo.sh setup and also deployment setup. Now I am moving into the Dear ERP. So you can directly come to this Dear ERP website and sign in also. It's redirect to this page here, app.dearerp.com/chats. So already I have here, so I'm moving in this. In this, what we have to do after login, we need to create a project. So I'm moving into the creating new project. So what I have to do, I have to take this URL, copy, and then give into the new project. First I'll keep the project name SMR 30. Then so make sure here whenever we paste this URL, then Odoo database name also getting appear instantly. So please keep an eye on that. When I'm pasting here, Odoo database name also getting reflect. So then I'm moving to enter the admin as username and then password also. Then simply choose the direct mode or module mode. Direct mode means it configure Odoo, create data, generate reports. It is best for operations, but it is not completely for module development, because we have lot of developers teams, so they wanted the code. If you want code, then you have to move into the uh, from the module mode. Otherwise, you can click on the direct mode. So I am moving into the module mode, as we have seen several times in the previous videos in the direct mode only. So I'm moving and click on the test and save. So what happens in this? We can get the modules also and we can get the code also. These two benefits we can get in module mode. So it is taking time. Nice. Our project is ready for any kind of the instructions and customizations we can give to this Dear ERP. So I'm clicking on the new chat for giving command here. Then here, game changing requirement is getting up here. Connect repository. So simply I have to click on this sync and connect our repo whatever we have created earlier. So I'm clicking on this connect repository. In this, there are a lot of repos, as you are get to see here. This is 30 SMR30 earlier we have created. So I'm simply clicking on this and then move to the clone repository. So it also takes time. Nice, done. So when I click on the done, it is finished yet. So as you see here, this repository is getting appear. I mean, my GitHub account is completely connected to this project. So I am giving a customization. As we know, in a default mode or in a default setup, there is no mobile number added in the sale order. So simply what I am writing here, add the mobile number field in sale order, and I'll give this command to this Dear ERP. Let's wait for some time. It also takes time for processing our request. During this time, we have to discuss something here. We can refresh if any kind of the changes made yet and we are not able to see that reflection. We have to move with refresh button here, and also make sure we can create the more branches on clicking this one. As I'm writing here, it is the button also getting appear like this, so we can create the more branches also. And whenever full changes would be required, we have to click on this button, and after getting the changes, we can easily get to see the changes or code here only. So it started working uh, and giving the files and folders here. So in last, we may see lot of files and folders also getting appear here. So now I can use this refresh button. When I'm clicking refresh like this, other files and folders also getting visible. And these specific parts, if I am not able to see in a proper alignment, so I can easily move with it from right to left, and according to my comfortability and convenience, I can easily align them accordingly. Boom guys, after a small wait, we have achieved the results here. So simply I have to click on the files. In files, we easily get to know. I'm going to refresh here. So okay, sale order is completed. Sale field is completely added here. So in sale order, so I'm moving on the modules, and then there is manifest.py file. We easily get to know what fields actually generated here. installable also through here. Okay, so how we have to check in Odoo these things here. So first I have to move into the Odoo. I'm clicking on open Odoo. Then I have to move into the settings. In settings there is a developer mode. I'm activating it. Then I have to move into the apps. In apps there is update app list also visible, so I have to click on this update, so it will update the whatever changes made yet. So then I have to refresh it. Then I have to simply whatever I have copied that customized field name, so I have to paste here. Then see, nice, sale order mobile number. This is also one module, customize module. So I have to activate it and then see the reflection in sales. uh, it is actually made the changes. Before, if we check before, mobile number was not available, but you know, in the default way there is no mobile number, but after applying we are easily get to see here mobile number also visible. But now we can practice other fields, adding other fields also, like pin code number also we can request, so we'll see accordingly. So now I'm moving to the other customization also. So I have given the add the pin code number field in the sale order. Then it says I have added the PIC code number in the field. So let me check once here. Is it updated or not? So simply I'm already in developer mode. So I have to update the app list. So when it is updating, simply I'm copying this. So what I have to copy here, pin code. Okay, so this pin code I'm copying, and when I paste here, amazing, this module also get added here. Make sure one thing here, whenever we made the changes we have to simply push these changes. I have already pushed, so that's the reason it is not getting appeared. So whenever, just like added the pin code, so when I write it is getting enabled, then I can click on this. Currently it is disabled because I already pushed all the changes here. So what I have to do now, I'm moving into the Odoo, then move into the sale. In, so simply move to the creation of quotation. So when I click here, now PIC code number also added. Amazing. So this process is called deploying an Odoo project on Odoo.sh, which means setting up Odoo on a managed server environment. During this deployment, an Odoo database is also created to represent a specific company or working environment. So by following these steps, we both deploy the Odoo platform and create a production ready database within it. So this is how we can deploy an Odoo project on Odoo.sh and implement customizations using Dear ERP in a clean and structured way. This approach helps us manage code, automate custom development, and safely deploy changes into Odoo without manual effort. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone working on Odoo implementations. If you have any questions or want to see more Odoo tutorials like this, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.